In this video, I will explain about different integration tools available in the market. We know that we have different application system in our landscape. For example, I have one SAP system which is located in my landscape. I have also one more database system. I have mail system to deal with the mails. I have file system to deal with the files. I have one Java system to deal with some Java related applications. I have .NET application system. I have different web services relevant system. I have one more mainframe system. Like that, we may have different application system in our landscape. But how do we integrate all these application systems to do business? Because sometimes you maintain your business data in Excel format or else in a file format. That should be appear in SAP system. Whenever you log into SAP system, you should be able to view the content of your product or else order information in this system. Even you maintain data here. How it is possible? We can integrate these two systems directly, and also direct way for to integrate in these systems needs the person who is familiar with these systems protocols, what type of transfer protocol it will use, what type of message protocol it will use, what type of transfer protocol this system file use, what type of message protocol this system use. For example, here SAP supports IDOC and RFC and proxy here. The person who is going to integrate SAP system, you should aware about what is IDOC, RFC and proxy. In this case, also you should also aware about what type of a file format it is, whether it is MS Word, Excel, CSV, like that. He should be aware about this message format and this message format. What are the different fields are available here? What are the different fields formats are? Field lengths, and sometimes file length supports only 10 digits, maybe 10 characters. Sometimes this file length has only information like 6 characters. So he should aware about all these information. Then only he can communicate this system with this system. But sometimes you need to integrate with the web service system. Sometimes you need to integrate your SAP system with the database. Sometimes you need to integrate with the SAP system with the .NET related application system. Sometimes you need to integrate with some other system. So, for example, you have some student information on your SAP system related to the marks and the grade of the student. Sometimes you need to transfer the same information, whatever you are transferring from SAP to Excel, to maybe you will save this, send this information to some other system in your landscape. Same information has to be passed to some other database system at the same time. Again, you need to develop another interface in between these two application systems. So you need another person who knows about both database as well as SAP system. So EA consultant, his main job is he awares about all system transfer protocols and message protocols and how to integrate with those all application systems with the EA system. Later, he will do various processing on the data, and he will connect various systems across in your landscape and outside landscape also. So EA consultant, his main job is to connect all application system by using adapters and communication channels. He will establish a connection between all application systems, and based on the what type of message format they want to communicate. So first is establish a connection. Then what type of message is it? Is it student information? Is it employee information? Is it some other information? Is it payroll information? So first establish a connection, then design integration scenario based on your requirement. So he can communicate one system's message to another system's message by using different handle how to handle the message protocols here. So here what type of transfer protocol you need to use here. So based on the requirement, first he can establish a connection between all application systems. Then he design a concerned message format to transfer message from one application system to another application system.